What's in Your Mind Today? Written by Louise Bladen, illustrated by Perrini. What's in your mind today? Let's see what's there, hiding inside. Sit very still and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out it goes. Can you feel the air rushing through your nose? Counting your breaths can be such fun. In and then out, and that is one. In and out again, you're up to 2. Now there are only 8 more to do. In and out, and there goes 3. There's lots of air in your lungs, you see. Now there's 4, then 5 goes past. Some are slow, and some are fast. Count every breath right up to 10. Then you can open your eyes again. Now take a look at the thoughts in your mind. Are they angry or are they kind? Molly's thoughts are butterflies. They flit and flutter all over the skies. She can't catch them. She's too slow. Where do they come from? Where do they go? Oliver's thoughts are monsters stomping around. Their great big feet are shaking the ground. But when he looks at them, they just melt away. They have no power of their own to stay. George's thoughts are full of troubles, boiling and bursting in great big bubbles. With his mind, he makes them pop. Oh, what fun! But why did they stop? Amelia's thoughts are wriggly worms, wobbling around to make her squirm. Wiggle away, she says. You don't worry me. Where have they gone now? There's nothing to see. Sophie's hardly thinking at all, until a thought comes along like a big rubber ball. She kicks it away, and it goes in a hurry. Where is it now? Where did it scurry? So what's in your mind? Are your thoughts good or bad? Are they making you happy or making you sad? Good or bad, remember that thoughts never last. Sooner or later, even scary thoughts pass. Thoughts are a little like clouds, you see. They come and they go, blown on the breeze. Just finding your breath can put you at ease. Watch your thoughts drift away, then feel calm and at peace.